Chrysler 300. Ooh, got the trocas out. Zesty. Ooh, one of the neighbors. Ooh, I like that wing that he got, low key. I'm looking into getting a spoiler for the EcoBoost. Can you guys drop down in the comments what spoiler would you even consider putting on a Mustang? You know, on an S550, I guess is what you would say. Yeah, drop down in the comments what kind of spoiler you guys have on your vehicle. Oh, did you guys see that Subi? I'm even considering a spoiler like that, to be honest. A wing spoiler. I seen a couple Mustangs with what looks to be like almost not a Supra style spoiler, but similar. And it looks pretty good. I'm not even gonna front. I would definitely get it. You know, I'm down to try a couple things on the Mustang, see what looks good and see what doesn't. You know, it's all trial and error. It's your own car, man. You can do whatever the fuck you want with it, man. So we'll go. Go down this way. Yeah, so looking to get a spoiler, maybe new tubing just for the under the engine, you know, inside the engine, just new tubing. I took a look earlier, like I said, that shit is it needs a clean, man. So I'm trying to go back this bugging. Y'all like that. It's been a minute since I went this way, to be honest. Looking to get a new exhaust, everything, man. I want everything all of a sudden, you know. Affirm, where you at? Where the sponsors at? Can we get some sponsors for the 360 Eco? Hoping I get my license plate. I got a license plate coming in, custom license plate that's gonna have 360 Eco on the back. Yeah, it's gonna be in black, so it's not gonna be white, like standing out. So that's something right there. What's next? Just maintenance, man. Just keep up with the car, you know, take care of it. This is the daily, but I'm also starting to mod it out here and there, little things, you know, that may or may not cause it to not run and this and that, but you know, so one thing I will say about the blow-off valve adapter I do not like, and I knew this was going to happen because I read upon it even before I bought it. I was looking into getting a blow-off valve adapter when I had got the Mustang back in 2021, dude. But, you know, I was just like, I was really just new to the whole car, so I didn't want to do anything to it. I was just like, you know, I'm just going to drive it. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, so when I got the car not in 2021, when I bought the car in 2021, I don't know, I should just probably go there. It's fucking closer. There's an AutoZone too, huh? Oh, that's what we gotta do. Let's go this way. That's not a light. That is not a light. beautiful BMW. Oh fuck. If I had a lip spoiler, I would have been done for. This is one of those sketch ass spots that nobody's gonna make. How much you want to bet the opportune moment is gonna come right when this lady's walking? She could have walked. We're gonna let her take it. I should go to the bank. Can we go? Wow. Wow. Just wow. This lady's not even going. That's tough, isn't it? I gotta go get some more microfiber towels. The Corolla with the diffuser? Now look at that license plate. It ain't easy being cheesy. It's just beautiful art right there, man. Auto detailing supplies. That's what I need to go get right now. Oh, what the fuck? They don't even look open. Oh, it is pop. Primero impacto. Alright guys, this thing is hurting my cabeza. Hopefully you guys got some good clips. I'll add more clips. I took other I took other clips damn this motherfucker. I took other recordings of turbo noises on I think the X2, so I'll find them, I'll post them. Till the next one though, alright? Much love, players.